In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, students of grade 2. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine, and I hope you all will be happy because your winter vacation is going on. Okay, students, today is our last online class. It is our science lecture time as today is Thursday, 24th December 2020. It is our science period, and our today's topic is air. Because we have done the reading and explanation of this chapter, today we are going to take the start of the back exercise of this chapter. So I want to send happy winter holidays wishes for my sweet students. Make sure you are packed up well for the winter as the destination would have a chilly weather. I wish you happy winter holidays. So keep enjoying. Okay, my dear students, now come to our today's task. Open page number 80, exercise, back exercise of the chapter air. As today is 24th 12 2020, so you will write at the top of your page the short date. Students, our first exercise is put a tick for the true and a cross for false. Before attempting this exercise, I want to tell you, yesterday we have read and explanation this chapter by reading, by watching the videos, and I have to try to make your concept more clear. But before solving this exercise, I will just explain and you will attempt this exercise by yourself. I will just explain by reading, by the sharing of images, by the sharing of video. Then it will be make easy for you. Then you can solve this exercise by yourself. We have one exercise of true and false, and we have two question answers. One is give two uses of air, and second is what is moving air called. Okay, students, now come to the exercise number 1. Firstly, we will only read the statements. First statement is we cannot see air, we can only feel when it moves. Part B, air does not have weight. Part C, air is needed for burning. Think carefully, students. Are these statements are right or wrong? Part C, air is needed for burning. Part D, if we breathe dirty air, we can become ill. Part E, air is present all around us. And we have read these statements and we also have read the answer questions. Now let's see a video about these statements. Then you can put the mark of true or false easily. Okay, students, our first statement was that we cannot see air, we can only feel it when it moves. So the part A statement is true. As you can see in this image, we cannot see air, we can just feel it when it moves. You can feel, you can just only feel that it is hot, it is cold. We can just feel the air, we cannot see it. Part B, they are saying air does not have weight. So we will tell us that this statement is false. Air has weight. As you can see, here is a balloon that is filled by the air has weight, and another balloon is the flat. It doesn't have weight. So this statement is false. Part C is air is needed for burning. This statement is true or false. As you can see in this experiment in the first glass, there is a gap, so the candle is lit on. In the second glass, the tumbler of a glass is over the candle, so the candle is turned off. So the air is needed for burning. It is true. Part D, if we breathe dirty air, we can become ill. Yes, of course, its statement is true. If we breathe in dirty air, we can become ill. As you can see, here is a dirty air, smoke of the industries, of the factories. And our question was give two uses of air. As you can see here, the uses of air, the air help us to move the sailboats, and the air moves the fan of the windmill. Here is a sailboat and here is a windmill. They also needs air to move. So This is the answer of the question number 2. Now come to the question number 3. What is the moving air called? You can see here a kite is flying by the help of air. So the moving air is called wind. Okay students, it was our back exercise. I hope your concept are more clear about this exercise. You will do this exercise by yourself. If you feel any difficulty, you can ask any query about this. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.